Hey, if one of your earbud is not working on the JBL Wave Buds, for example, the left one stops working, all you have to do is just to grab both earbuds and you will have to quickly tap two times on the both sensors and then hold it. So let me show you how it looks. Click, click, and then click and hold. And now take a look for the both indicators on the left and the right earbud. You will have to keep holding until they turns off like this. There we go. Now we can release. As you can see, we are also disconnected. Now we have to put them back into the charging case and we have to recharge our earbuds for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's actually recommended. And then when you take them out of this case, they will automatically go into the pairing mode, which means that we just reset all this both earbuds. And now we can try to pair them one more time by going here, and you can tell me if it works. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.